despite informing, despite
See,
government orders.
It's unfortunate when the COVID third wave outbreak was there, they started this Padayatra against the people's voice, against the government norms, against epidemiological act and the disaster management act. They violated all the acts of the book. Being a responsible opposition in this hour of health emergency, they should have stood with the government like all political parties have stood with the respective governments in the entire world. They have set a bad precedent in the state. No other political party in the history of Karnataka in such emergencies they have behaved like this. So they have set a very bad precedent for themselves, and people of Karnataka would not forget and forgive them.
But still, from past 1 week, the COVID cases are rising. Why did the government
No,
not
see,
take any action
they
in the
have-
last 4 days, sir?
They have initiated this Padayatra since 3 or 4 days. This is the 4th day. The first day itself, the government has acted briskly. We initiated FIR. We made cases against all those leaders who instigated this, who organized these rallies. And we have subsequently issued notices. Parallelly, our Honorable CM and few minister colleagues have been in consultation with those leaders to take back their Padayatra and stand by government in this crisis. Have been in consultation with those leaders to take back their Padayatra and stand by government in this crisis in the interest of the people of Karnataka, especially when it comes to health issues. Right to life is the most important fundamental right that we all should be working towards. Unfortunately, the National Party, their National Congress party's view is totally different. They were, from the beginning, I have seen them that they have been criticizing about the steps and the manner in which our government is taking towards mitigating the first and the second wave. Even in the third wave, though we are taking so many aggressive, proactive measures, no other country probably in the world has taken these kind of proactive steps the way our Honorable Prime Minister has led this entire fight against COVID. In spite of that, they are trying to ridicule, they are trying to criticize us, but they fail to tell their state unit to stop this. So they are completely exposed in front of the people of India. Everybody is criticizing them, everybody is blaming them. I think finally the diplomacy of our Honorable Chief Minister, the attitude, the manner in which our government has handled this issue, it is a historical achievement. It is a historical victory for the people of Karnataka. And I really congratulate and acknowledge also at the same time few leaders of Congress party whose wisdom has prevailed ultimately and who have succeeded in convincing their high command in the interest of the people of Karnataka. So I really acknowledge from the state government.